Yes, good evening. Is my voice clear?
واضح تكتب.
اوكي صوتي واضح تمام اوكي Yes, good evening. Hello, is my voice clear? صوتي واضح؟ صوتي واضح؟
نعم واضح.
Okay, so today we are going to start our lecture. Okay, at first I'll start with the homework, and after that I'm going to start with the new subjects. So let us check the homework. Okay, today we have, yes, a conversation in the airport. Okay, so imagine that you are in the airport and you would like to talk to the officer. What will you say? Okay, I'll give you here 2 minutes for viewing. After that, I'll start asking you individually. بعطيكم أيضا دقيقتين المراجعة وبعدها حبدأ أسألكم بشكل شفوي. فنبدأ بالمراجعة. نعم، يا الأولى الكتاب أو الثانية؟ تقرين بالبداية؟ هو مو قراءة، المفروض هو حفظ وليس قراءة. أي نعم، أي نعم. تمام، أي ماكو مشكلة، جاهزة هسه لو سين. تمام. أوكي. Yes, sir. Yes.
هذا الثاني.
You are going to read it? No, I'm not going to read it. You're going to say it.
Good morning. May I see your passport?
Mhm.
Good morning. Here you go. Any package?
Mhm.
Are you checking any package today? Yes, I have suitcase. Please place it on the scale. دكتور بس دقيقة أتذكر.
Okay.
Please
Please place it on the scale.
Please place it on the scale. Your baggage is overweight. You will need to pay an extra fee. How much is the fee? $25. Okay, all right. I'll pay. Please put on phone, laptop, and any liquids in the tray. Okay, no problem. And okay, no problem. Please step through of the scan and
Step through the scanner.
scanner and
Okay.
and raise your hand. لا, raise your hand and step of the scanner. I am a good. Am I good to go? Yes, you are clear. We are now boarding passenger for flight 342 to Istanbul. To Istanbul. Which is a group boarding now? Group A, please. Here is my passport bus. Here is my passenger bus. Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Yes. Okay. So enjoy your flight.
Hey,
Okay, great.
لا.
So this is the next one. Yes.
دقيقة ثواني. Excuse me.
Welcome aboard. Your
Welcome,
seat.
welcome
Abroad.
aboard. Welcome aboard. Your seat is 14A. Thank you. Could I have a bottle of water? Yes, of course. Here you go.
Water.
مقرأتها على فلابتي مال يلا
Flat tea.
فلابتي مال
Okay. Flat tea.
ايه
Water. Okay.
اي could I have a bottle of water? Yes, here you go. What's the purpose of the what's the purpose of the try of the
On the trip.
of
Of
the
your
trip,
trip. Your trip.
tourism. I will
I'll stay for 1 week.
for 1 week. Where will you be staying? In a city center, at hotel in a city center. You are welcome for our country.
You are welcome. Yes, to our country. Okay, great. So thank you very much,
I'm
Isabel.
ready.
Yes, Asawa. Yes.
At the check-in counter, good morning, may I see your passport? Good morning, yes, here you go. Are you checking any baggage today? Yes, I have one suitcase. Please place it on the scale. Your bag is overweight. You will need to pay an extra fee. How much is the fee? It's $25. All right, I'll pay. Security check. Please put your phone, laptop, and liquids in the tray. Okay, no problem. Raise your hand and step through the scanner. Am I good to go? Yes, you are clear. At the boarding gate, we are now boarding passengers for flight 342 to Istanbul. Which group is boarding now? Group A, please. Here is my boarding pass. Thank you. Enjoy your flight. On the plane, welcome aboard. Your seat is 14A. Thank you. Could I have a bottle of water? Sure. Here you go. Immigration. What is the purpose of your trip? Tourism. I will stay for 1 week. Where will you be staying? At the hotel in the city center. Welcome to our country.
Yes. Okay, great as well. Welcome to our country.